Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy an iPhone right now, then this video is going to help you. In this video, I will tell you the right time and the right offers for iPhones during Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale. Right now, the prices of iPhones are on the higher side, so it would be a wise decision to wait for few days when the Big Billion Days sale will arrive and you can get the best deals on iPhone 13, 14 and 15. I have noticed for a couple of years that the price of iPhone increases every minute during Big Billion Days sale. Actually, Flipkart advertised lower price for few seconds and after that they increase the price of iPhones. And a lot of users actually still buy iPhones at a higher rate going out of their budget. Now, what will be the right price for iPhone 13? Actually, I would not suggest you to buy iPhone 13 in 2024 because iPhone 13 series has a big software issue. After every update, there is a possibility of green screen or motherboard damage. So if you still want to buy iPhone 13, it is your choice. The best price for iPhone 13 would be around 33 to 35,000 rupees, and above 35,000 rupees I would not suggest you to buy iPhone 13 in 2024. Next, if you want to buy iPhone 14, you can buy iPhone 14 at about 40,000 plus price range. Actually, iPhone 14 is a very good device compared to iPhone 13. If you get this at around 40,000 rupees, you can definitely buy iPhone 14 if you have budget. Now, the next phone for which a lot of users have been waiting for a year, and that is iPhone 15. This year iPhone 15 will be the highest selling smartphone because a lot of users actually want to buy iPhone 15. Last year it was launched in 80,000 rupees. So the price was very high. After paying 80,000 rupees, you are getting 60Hz display. But this year iPhone 15 will be available at a discounted price of 50,000 rupees for a limited period of time. So if you want to buy this iPhone 15, you have to grab the deal during flash sale. Whenever the flash sale will start, you have to click on the buy button to book an iPhone, but chances are very low that you will get iPhone 15 in 50,000 price range because Flipkart will definitely increase the price of iPhone 15. Gradually it will increase the price. So if you want to buy iPhone 15, grab the deal at the earliest opportunity, otherwise you will have to pay 4,000 or 5,000 rupees extra for iPhone 15. And if you have more budget, you can buy iPhone 16, but you will get the same 60Hz display with this iPhone 16. So this year also, after paying 80,000 rupees, you are getting 60Hz display. Actually, Apple should have provided at least 90Hz of refresh rate. Other than that, you will have all the very good features with iPhone 16. So if you have no budget issue, you can buy iPhone 16, but you will not get any discount right now. So if you want to know about the best sites where you can get the best discounts between Amazon and Flipkart, I would suggest you to go for Flipkart because Flipkart offers most discounts compared to Amazon.in. Actually, the sellers of Amazon.in are very reliable, but you will not get as much discount as Flipkart offers. Now you have to make the decision whether you want to buy from Flipkart or Amazon. Both are trusted sites. Let me know in the comment sections below which iPhone you want to buy during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale. If you have any questions regarding offers of any smartphones and tablets, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.